Welcome to my channel. How to build generational wealth. Building generational wealth is one of the most powerful ways to create lasting financial security, not just for yourself, but for your future generations. In this video, we'll walk you through what generational wealth is, why it's important, and most importantly, how to build it. Let's dive in. What is generational wealth? Generational wealth refers to wealth that is accumulated and passed down through multiple generations. Unlike short-term financial gains, it's about creating long-lasting financial stability for your descendants. The wealth you build today can empower your children, grandchildren, and even great-grandchildren to live without financial hardship. Think of it as setting up a solid foundation for your children, grandchildren, and beyond. Instead of them starting from scratch, they inherit the knowledge and resources that will allow them to continue growing and expanding the wealth you've worked so hard to build. Why is generational wealth important? Generational wealth is important because it provides long-term financial security for your family. It's about giving future generations opportunities that you may not have had, such as the ability to invest in education, real estate, and businesses without the burden of debt or financial struggle. Imagine your children not worrying about paying for college, your grandchildren inheriting investments that continue to grow, and future generations being able to pursue their passions without financial strain. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for getting notifications. Building a foundation, financial literacy. Before you can build generational wealth, the first step is to ensure you have a strong financial foundation. The most important tool for building this foundation is financial literacy. Core components of financial literacy budgeting. First, you need to know where your money is going, track your income and expenses, and make sure you're spending less than you earn. This helps you avoid debt and ensures that you're putting money aside for your goals. Saving. Saving is about building a financial cushion. Start by setting up an emergency fund that can cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Then, focus on saving for big life goals like buying a home or retirement. Investing. Investing is the key to growing your wealth over time. Whether it's in stocks, bonds, or real estate, investing allows you to take your money and put it to work, growing it exponentially over time. Here are some practical tips to get started. Budgeting. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your monthly expenses. This will allow you to see where you can cut back and save more. Saving. Start small, but be consistent. Set aside 10 to 20% of your income each month and put it into a high-interest savings account. Investing. If you're new to investing, start with low-risk investments like index funds or ETFs. These provide broad market exposure, with lower volatility compared to individual stocks. Investing strategies for growth. Now that you've built a strong financial foundation, let's dive into how to grow your wealth through investments. Investing is where your wealth can really start to grow. There are many ways to invest your money, but diversification is the key to success. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk and increase the potential for higher returns. Let's talk about some common investment types. Stocks. When you invest in stocks, you're buying ownership in a company. Over time, stocks can provide significant returns, but they come with higher risk. Bonds. Bonds are a safer investment option. They're essentially loans to companies or governments that pay you interest over time. They offer lower returns, but come with less risk than stocks. Real estate. Real estate can be a great long-term investment. By buying rental properties or investing in real estate funds, you can generate passive income and long-term wealth. To minimize risk, you want to diversify your portfolio by investing across these different asset classes. Diversification reduces the impact of any one investment's poor performance on your overall portfolio. Protecting and preserving wealth. Building wealth is one part of the equation. The other is preserving it. There are several strategies you can implement to protect and secure your wealth for future generations. One of the most important aspects of wealth preservation is estate planning. This involves creating a will, setting up trusts, and planning for the transfer of assets to your heirs. Here's how you can protect your wealth: wills and trusts. A will outlines how your assets will be distributed after your death, while a trust allows you to control how assets are managed and distributed over time. Trusts can help avoid probate, reduce taxes, and ensure your family is financially taken care of. Insurance. Life insurance is essential for protecting your family's financial future. It provides a payout to your loved ones in case of your untimely death. Additionally, disability insurance can replace lost income if you're unable to work due to injury or illness. Tax planning. Proper tax planning can help you minimize your tax burden. You can take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401(k)s to reduce your taxable income. Understanding the tax implications of your investments is key to preserving your wealth over time. Building a family financial plan. Passing on your wealth to future generations requires more than just a financial strategy. It's about building a financial legacy. Open communication about finances within the family is critical. Start educating your children about money management early on, teaching them the basics of budgeting, saving, and investing. This knowledge empowers them to maintain and grow the wealth you've worked hard to build. Sustainable financial legacy. Creating a sustainable financial legacy involves not just passing on money, but teaching future generations how to manage and grow it. Consider these strategies. Setting clear financial goals. Outline specific goals for your family's future, such as funding education or buying a family home. Multiple income streams. Build additional income streams through investments, businesses, or side hustles. This ensures that your wealth grows in various ways, rather than relying on a single source. Apply leverage. Use borrowed funds to invest in opportunities that can generate higher returns. This could mean using a mortgage to buy real estate or taking out a business loan to expand a company. Automate. Set up automated transfers to savings and investment accounts to ensure consistent wealth accumulation, even when you're not actively managing it. Minimize taxes. Take advantage of tax-efficient investment strategies, such as utilizing tax-deferred retirement accounts and tax-free growth options like Roth IRAs. Evergreen business. Create or invest in a business that has the potential to provide consistent income for future generations. This might include establishing a family business or buying businesses with long-term growth potential. In addition to these strategies, other advanced tools for wealth preservation include setting up a trust to protect your wealth from creditors and ensure it is passed on according to your wishes. Using life insurance as part of your estate planning to ensure that there's enough money to cover any estate taxes and support your heirs. Using strategies like buy, borrow, die to minimize estate taxes and maximize wealth transfer. Building generational wealth is a long-term journey, but with the right knowledge and planning, it's entirely possible. Remember, it's not just about accumulating wealth for today, but securing a prosperous future for your family for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to build your wealth. Start taking action today, and let's work together to create a legacy of financial freedom. Thanks for watching.